I'm Dudley Harris. The Pottery Studio Open House is coming up December 7 and 8, first weekend in December. I have a lot of new pottery that I've made this past year. I think you'll enjoy being here. And this year there is a special surprise, and I'd like to introduce my good friend Cappy Lawton.
Dudley, for you that don't know Dr. Dudley Harris and his amazing wife Cindy, every year they do this incredible event at their home. And Dudley's a phenomenal ceramicist, and every year he works all year long to have this fundraiser for Planned Parenthood and for Texas Public Radio, two of my favorite causes. This year we're going to help, and we're going to be serving burgers and tacos and sweet things, and all the proceeds will be going to these two wonderful entities. We sure hope to see you at this incredible event.
Cappy, we're so glad you're here. Thank you for coming. You know, Dudley and I use these bowls every single day in our kitchen. This is one that we eat our salads out of every night. And I know you've had a chance to look around for a few minutes. Has anything caught your eye?
Yes. Cindy, every time I look around in here, everything catches my eye. I love Dudley's ceramics. And I guess if I had some favorites, it's Dudley's. Everyone that knows Dudley knows he has an incredible sense of humor. And he always talks about his speaking bowls as if they had voices and they could talk. And certainly one of my favorites is his Hold Me bowl. It makes you just want to grab this thing and maybe run off for a candlelight dinner.
We want to invite you to the Studio Open House with Cappy Lawton and his team, December 7 and 8. That's the first weekend in December. And we hope you come, and I know you're going to have a good time.